Hello my friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're gonna get straight to the point. We're not messing around here at all. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a super easy tutorial on how to get started with affiliate marketing. So if that's something you are interested in, then just keep watching. Yes, I'm ready. Let's get pumped. In its most basic form, affiliate marketing is where you send customers to a company and then that company pays you money. Hopefully it's more than $1, but apparently that's all the cash I have in my wallet. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you actually don't work for the company as an employee, but what these companies will do is they'll go and create an affiliate program that's hosted on some sort of software, and then you have the ability to go and sign up to be an affiliate marketer for that company. Once you've signed up for a specific company's affiliate marketing program, you'll then receive a unique link that is only unique and personal to you. But then once you go and refer products from that company and people buy those products through your unique link, the company then pays you a commission of that sale. So basically what it boils down to is this company, and there's a ton of companies out there that have affiliate marketing programs, but this company has gone and done the work to create this awesome product. And now all you have to do is refer people to the product and then you get paid. And the beauty of affiliate marketing is all you have to really be good at is the marketing. You don't have to go and spend the time and money creating an awesome product or even be good at customer service or have to even worry about building a team. As an affiliate marketer, all you're really in charge of is promoting the product, but then the company that you're an affiliate for is in charge of doing all that work on the back end. And that's why I think affiliate marketing is an amazing first business to start, especially when you want to go and make money online. Because regardless if you're selling your own products that you've created or you're going and promoting somebody else's products, which is what you're doing as an affiliate, you need to know how to be able to sell and you need to know the marketing side of things. Because even though you build it, you might have the most amazing product, the most amazing website. Just because you build it doesn't mean people are going to come and buy it. You need to learn how to get that product in front of people and get it in front of the right people. So now you get the opportunity to work on the marketing and focus solely on that, and that's what makes affiliate marketing so awesome. Now I want to share with you guys my 3-step formula to becoming an awesome affiliate who is bringing in passive income every single month without being scammy. And this 3-step formula that I'm just about to share with you guys is also known as the 3 P's of affiliate marketing. The first P on our list is products. You gotta be able to choose the right product. Now, like I mentioned before, there are a lot of companies nowadays who have their own affiliate marketing programs. So thankfully, you have a lot of options to choose from when it comes to deciding on what company you want to be an affiliate for. So I have 2 recommendations for you when it comes to choosing products as an affiliate. And the first one is try and be an affiliate for products that you're already using, because it's a lot easier to recommend people to use a product if you're using it yourself and you love it. But let's say you're sitting here, you're watching this video and you're like, well, I have these products that I use, but I can't really be an affiliate for them. If you can't think off the top of your head some products that you're using that you can't be an affiliate for, then I recommend going and buying some products from companies that you would love to be an affiliate for, use their products, and if you love them, you can go ahead and promote them. And second, if you're having a hard time deciding what products to choose as an affiliate, I highly recommend either promoting online courses or software. And the reason for this is typically companies or entrepreneurs who offer online courses give higher commissions on those sales, which is like that 30 to 50% range. So you're earning more money per sale for those affiliate commissions. And second, with software, you get the beauty of recurring commissions. And that truly is like my definition of passive income, because people pay every month to use a software. And so as an affiliate, when they sign up to that software through your link, you're getting a percentage of that sale every single month. So essentially you do the work up front to get the sale, and then every month that customer is paying for that software, you're having money show up in your bank account. Now, don't get me wrong, you could totally promote physical products, but just understand that most physical products that you're an affiliate for are typically lower commissions, and they can even be as low as 2 to 3%. So you're not earning as much money per sale, so you have to be able to refer and sell a lot more of those to be able to make a good income, because companies are also dealing with shipping and returns and things like that. Now, I want to really make sure that I help you guys out, so before I hop on to the next step in our framework, I want to share with you guys a product I absolutely love promoting and one that I think is great for beginners. And that product is ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a sales funnel building company. They have a software, they have a series of products that you can promote. And if you want to learn more about their affiliate marketing program and more about ClickFunnels itself, you can go check out this video right here and this one. But since ClickFunnels is a software, you have that beauty of reoccurring commissions. And this company treats their affiliates so stinking well, and they offer high commissions, and they also have an amazing community to help build their affiliates up. And also, they do not skimp on the resources and trainings when it comes to their affiliates, because when their affiliates do well, their company does well. So they treat their affiliates well, and that's one reason why I recommend starting and just checking out ClickFunnels as a beginner affiliate. The second P in our framework is people. And now you need to find customers to buy the products. Now, this step in the framework is super, super important, so please don't skip it, because I know it's so easy to get caught up and excited about the product. Been there, done that. It's so fun to talk about products, but if you don't figure out who you are actually gonna sell those products to, then you're not gonna have any success as an affiliate. You gotta get specific on the who. Who is it that you are trying to help with the product you are an affiliate marketer for? Now, I wanna share a little section from this book, DotCom Secrets. Now, this book is awesome. I love this book, and actually it's free. All you do is cover shipping, so heck yes, you can get it down in the description below. But I want to read this section to you because I really feel that it hits home what I'm trying to tell you guys about finding your dream customers. So John Lee Dumas, he's from Entrepreneurs on Fire. He's an incredible podcaster, and he recently shared how he crafted his dream listener when he first launched his podcast. His podcast is ridiculously successful now, but this is what he did at the start. So I figured we should probably learn from him. So this is John Lee Dumas speaking. When I was trying to figure out what I wanted Entrepreneur on Fire to be, I was overwhelmed because it was hard for me to find the path that I wanted to take my listeners on. When I really sat down and said, okay, my listener or my avatar is Jimmy. He's 37 years old and he has a wife and 2 kids, ages 3 to 5. He drives by himself to work every single day. It's a 25-minute commute to work. He gets to a cubicle at a job he hates for 9 hours. He gets done with his job, drives home, and it's a 35-minute commute home. He gets stuck in a little bit of traffic. He gets home and hangs out with his kids, has dinner with his family, puts his kids to bed, hangs out with his wife, and then he has a little Jimmy pity party at the end of every single night because he's sitting on the couch asking himself, why do I spend 90% of my waking hours doing things that I don't enjoy doing? Commuting to a job I don't like, being at a job I don't like, commuting home, and only 10% of my waking hours doing things that I love, like spending time with my kids and my family. Jimmy is my avatar. He's the person that, as he's driving to work, should be listening to Entrepreneur on Fire, so that when my guest is sharing their worst entrepreneurial moments, he can understand that it's okay to fail, that you can learn lessons from failure. And that's when he's driving home and my guest talks about their aha moment. He can talk about how you take an aha moment and turn it into success. And then instead of having that pity party at night by himself on a couch, he can listen to the lightning round where my guest is sharing their best advice they've ever had, their favorite book or their favorite resource, so he can start to put together the pieces of the puzzle. So you can see right here, John Lee Dumas got ultra specific on his avatar or his dream listener or dream customer in our case. And he got ultra specific on the who, and that's what I need you guys to do. If you want to get into affiliate marketing and you want to be successful with it and you want to bring in that passive income, you got to figure out who you are serving. Again, DotCom Secrets is an amazing book, and if you love just that little excerpt that I read to you guys, you are gonna love the rest of the book. So this will be linked down in the description below. It is free. All you have to do is cover shipping. Oh yeah. And the third P on our list is platform. Now that you've gone and figured out who would benefit most from the product that you are wanting to promote as an affiliate, you then need to go and figure out where they are hanging out online. Okay, so figuring out where your dream customers are hanging out online is important. Like what Facebook groups they're a part of, or what people they like to follow on Instagram, or what YouTube channels they watch. But if we take that a step further, it's honestly about creating a group of like-minded people and building a community of people who are interested in the products you are wanting to promote. And how on earth do you build this community, you may ask? You do it by putting out content. And when I say go and create content, I mean go and put lots of content out there on the internet. Go out and look at what other people in your space are doing and go and model them. Don't copy, but go ahead and model what they are doing that you could do that would appeal to the audience you want to bring in. And once you've kind of got an idea of what type of content you want to create, go pick a platform online. I highly recommend sticking with just one or two, because if you do too many, like you want to do Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and Twitter all at the same time, you're going to get a little overwhelmed. So start with one or two at the beginning. As you grow, you can always branch out later, but start with one or two. Start posting consistently on those platforms. Learn about those platforms. Learn about what does well and show up and engage on those platforms so you can start building that community. And understand, it may take some patience, it may take some time. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick strategy. So if that's what you're looking for, probably not the best strategy for you. But if you can go ahead and build up that audience, you're gonna be set for life with dream customers who always want to buy from you. And this is just your friendly reminder to please be ethical as an affiliate. And if you ever do any reviews about certain products, if there's something you didn't like, make sure you share that with your audience. And you're completely honest about the pricing and the product, and also disclosing that you are an affiliate. And that when people buy through your link, you will receive a small commission, but it doesn't cost anything extra to them, but it just helps support you. So being honest and open about all those things will help build trust within your audience and just make you be a better affiliate. My lighting is kind of going away. It's a YouTuber's worst nightmare. So there you guys go. That is my 3-step formula on how to get started with affiliate marketing. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really does help support my channel so much, and it would mean the world to me. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.